Hey guys, what's up? It's Lara, and today I'm gonna apply fake nails. And today I'm not gonna make the fake nails. I already ordered them, and yeah, they arrived today. So I'm gonna make a video right now. Give the video a thumbs up, and let's get started. So the stuff you'll need are a nail clipper to trim the nails, a nail filer. This is not really necessary, but this is something you can put in between your finger, and then in it you can put your nail polish, which I didn't use. But so then you will need nail glue, the nail tips, just the fake nails, and the nail polish. So that's it. Okay, so I already picked the nails. So now we're gonna file my real nails. I'm gonna file them. So when you put the glue on and stick the nails on your nail, it will stay like that. And why we're doing it is because we want all the oils from our nails off, so then it won't slip off your nail. Like, it will stay longer. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm just gonna stick it on with the nail glue. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And I forgot to say that I'm using glue that is in a bottle, so you can apply it with a brush. So I bought that, and yeah, I love that one so much because it's way easier than just like a normal one. Like, it's really easy to apply. So that's just what I want to say. I hold the nails for 30 seconds. Once the nails are on, it's time to trim it. Well, I trimmed them because yeah, it's really long. So I'm just gonna take this nail clipper that I already had at home, and then it's time to file them. So I did something like, it's not perfect like a coffin shape, but I tried to do like a coffin shape. So that's what I did. So I used a very harsh filer. Now this is what it looks like, and now it's time to paint them. And I'm gonna use this color. It's kind of like a nude color. I don't know, I love it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna paint them. And also guys, I didn't use this kind of like thing because the nail polish that I used was really tiny. It was like a really mini, like it's a mini like nail polish. So yeah, that's it. Like, it doesn't really fit in it. So that's why I'm not using it. Okay, so this is the end result. I love it so much. This is the length. Love it. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below with the bell. This is my sister Nils. Okay, bye.